Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Coinbase wallet. First, ensure you have securely backed up your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your only key to accessing your funds if you ever need to restore your wallet on another device or platform. Without it, your digital assets could be permanently lost. Double-check that you have it written down and stored in a safe, offline location. This step is absolutely critical before proceeding. Next, you must transfer all your cryptocurrency out of your Coinbase wallet. This is a crucial step, as deleting the wallet will make any remaining funds inaccessible. Send your assets to another secure wallet you own or to a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. Always double-check that the receiving wallet supports the specific type of crypto you are sending and meticulously verify the recipient address. A small mistake here can lead to permanent loss of your valuable assets. Once your wallet is empty, you can proceed with its removal. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and go to the Settings section. Look for an option to sign out or disconnect your wallet. Since Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody product, there isn't a traditional delete account button like with an exchange. After signing out, uninstall the application from your device. Discarding your recovery phrase after this step effectively makes the wallet inaccessible to anyone, including yourself, ensuring its deletion. After uninstalling, your Coinbase wallet is effectively deleted and inaccessible, especially if you've discarded your recovery phrase. Remember, without that phrase, your funds cannot be recovered. Always maintain strong security practices for any remaining crypto holdings. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to streamline your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.